Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile Wiz Tech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this awesome Avatar Controls Dream Color Smart LED light strip. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant. And I'll be talking more about it right after this. Before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way we can always stay informed whenever I drop new content on my channel. So as you can see here, it is 16.4 feet, all right, or 5 meters. It works with these assistants and you can even use it with the Avatar Controls app as well. All right. As you can see here, 16 million colors. All right. You have the app, it's Wi-Fi connected, music sync, voice control, timer, true color changing, light dimming, and it has a remote control as well. All right. And let's see what else we got here. Easy setup as far as getting it linked up to the Avatar Controls app and to your voice assistant. All right. And scenarios of where or how you can use it. Really easy, really simple. And with that stated, let's go ahead and see how this looks. All right. So here you have on and off color and music control right here. So you can have your settings right here with this module. All right. This is your remote control. As you can see, you have the different options here and different color options here as well. All right. And your power adapter. All right. As you can see there. And here is the RGB light strip. Get this out of here really quick. All right, here you go. And this is 3M tape that's on the back, so you can remove this strip and then stick it to where you want to place it. All right. And let's see, anything else in here? And a manual here, it looks like. Yep. And let's see what this is. All right, a little service card. All right. All right, so this is everything outside of its packaging. And I wanted to point this out here, that this comes with this adhesive as well. So you can mount this on the back of your TV or wherever you want to mount it. All right, so you do have this also included. All right. Now for the time's sake of the video, because I want this to be a very quick and simple video, I won't go through the process of getting this set up to your voice assistant. And of course, you can always use the manual if you wanted to find out how to get your lights connected with your assistants. All right. Very, very straightforward. Very, very easy. Now to get this ready for power, all you're going to do is take this in here. All right. And you're going to plug it into this in here. Just like this. Just like that. All right. And then you're going to take the power plug and plug it here. Then this part will go into the wall. All right, really quick, just wanted to point out how to get this ready for the Avatar Controls app. You're going to press and hold down this power button for about 5 seconds until it starts flashing. There you go. And now it's ready to be synced up with the Avatar Controls app. And one other thing I wanted to point out, you want to make sure you choose lighting and then scroll down till you see the string lights BLE plus Wi-Fi. This is the one you're going to add. All right. This one here. All right. So for the music button, you can set it where once you have this enabled, when the lights are on, this will flash. The colors will flash according to the beat that's playing in the background. All right. But the first thing you're going to do is just press power here. And look at that. All right. And again, if music was selected as I'm talking, let's even try it here. As I'm talking, you can see that the lights are going or flashing according to my voice. So that's pretty cool. And with the color button, you could change different patterns, as you can see there. Look at that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But now let's look at the main remote. You want to make sure that you remove this plastic first so that the battery can take place and give this power. All right. But you have different options on here. So let's test them out here. First, let's just test out the different colors. So if I press green, turns green, blue. Let's see here. That's blue. Of course, you got red, yellow, you know, very standard there. And you can change how bright it is. So if you want it to be dim, that's dimmer. It's a little bit brighter. That's bright. And that's the brightest. You can make it white, of course. And you have different modes here too. All right. So let's try jump. What was that? Jump 3, jump 7. That's cool. Fade 3, fade 7. And then you have quick, slow, flash, and then auto. And you have timers on here too. So you have the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, or 8 hour. All right. And let's test this out too. Let's see. All right, so that's pretty cool. Let's see this one here. All right, so many options with this here. Pretty cool. And again, this would be perfect if you want this to be behind, let's say your TV, or if you wanted to just add some coloring to your house during entertainment, maybe a party or whatnot. And what's nice about this particular model, as it states here, it's rated IP65, so it can take a few drops of water. So you can have this outside as well. But of course, you don't want it to be immersed in water, or you don't want too much water hitting it, but it can take water, all right, because it has a coating on it. So all in all, I think this will be a great addition for your entertainment, or for, again, watching TV or watching movies, or just entertaining your guests. All right. Again, of course, it works with your voice assistants too. So many perks going for this. Now, if you're interested in this, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my review for the Avatar Controls Dream Color Smart LED Strip Light.
I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.